Ladies, Stella Rosa. What is up? What is up? What is up? Ladies, I missed y'all. I hope y'all missed me too. Today, y'all already see what we're about to talk about. We're about to be talking about luxury items and of course, Louis Vuitton, my ultimate favorite. So we're gonna go down memory lane. I bought my first Louis Vuitton back in, I think it was 2021. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I said the first time I would ever get a Louis Vuitton, a man would have to buy it for me. I know. I said it all the time. But being that I started real estate, I now am able to purchase my own Louis Vuitton time and time and time again. But this one I didn't purchase, my boyfriend purchased it for me. So shout out to Bay, hey. So my first Louis Vuitton, I was literally like taken back because I was like, why am I spending all of this money on a designer bag? But I remember back in 2020, before I quit my job, my boyfriend was like, do you want a MacBook or do you want a Louis Vuitton? I was like, I want both of them, but since I gotta pick, okay, I'll do the MacBook. And the MacBook pretty much funded me to get my Louis Vuitton, and now it's just like my everyday bag. And the reason why I wanted to like even go down memory lane, I want us ladies to understand that it's okay to treat yourself. We work so hard, we spend money on other people. I know I spend money on people, my brother, my sister, my friends. I wanna be able to wine and dine and spend money on myself. So that's why I bought my first Louis Vuitton. But I'm going to show y'all which bag I got. I want y'all to drop in the comments how much y'all think I spent on this bag. And business, of course, is going to be calling, but I'll get to them later. And I want y'all to know, or pretty much tell me, what are some of the options y'all think I should go after? Should I go after a Gucci? Should I get me some Fendi? I know I said I want me a YSL bag. I haven't gotten there yet, but let's see what this Louis Vuitton is looking like. So, 2 boxes, but I would say Louis Vuitton know how to get people attention. Like, let's pay attention to the details. We got the blue ribbon. I think this is the receipt. I didn't even remember when I bought my first bag how they packaged it, but yeah, we gonna see. So let's see. Make sure I keep everything together. I might put this in my hair with my locks. Okay, okay. They put it in a little duster bag, okay. Let's see what print we looking at. So I don't know about y'all, but I don't like to carry cash. I feel like when I have a lot of cash on me, I spend my money a lot more. So this is gonna be for my credit cards. I usually just have my business credit card, my gas card, and that's pretty much it. So I like that. I think he probably been paying attention about all the items I be saying I want, and he picked the right one. Okay, this box is heavy. Now y'all, I gotta tell y'all the truth. Y'all see Louis? Again. So I told my boyfriend I wanted some Rocco's tacos. I am a Rocco's tacos kind of girl. I love their guacamole. Spicy for me, please. And he told me we were going to Rocco's tacos. And then we ended up at Louis Vuitton. I said, I'm not spending any money. And he was like, but you said you wanted a bag. I said, but I'm not trying to spend any money. What are you talking about? So we were there looking. I wanted a cheap bag. I said, you know, give me something in the $1,000 range. And my little sales rep was not helping me. She just kept bringing expensive, more expensive, and another expensive bag. And I was like, ma'am, I said $1,000, but this wallet I think was in my budget. This wallet right here. Oh, my bad, y'all. Let's open up this box and see. Hopefully it matches what I'm wearing. Okay, maybe the lady at Louis Vuitton tied this a little bit too tight, you know? Good thing I don't have any nails on. Y'all see it? Louis me please, Louis me please. Anything is possible, ladies. Okay, so we got the duster bag again. Yeah, ooh, 2 dusters. Okay, this is where the price tag is. I'm not gonna tell you ladies because I told y'all I want y'all to guess how much the bag was for. So, let's flip. Ooh. Undress me, please. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Wow. Gold for the money. Definitely giving. Yeah. I think this little velvet inside. They gave me an extra handle. I mean, okay. This definitely can match what I have on. And they threw a whole bunch of receipts in the inside. So, I know y'all know about DH Gate. This is the real Louis. This is from the real store. So, shout out to them for making sure they put the price tag in the bag. But what do you ladies think? Tell me how y'all think I should dress this bag up. My birthday is coming up, so this bag will definitely be outside. Love the print. Two tones. It's definitely not giving my never full bag, my first bag, but Louis Vuitton, y'all just need to sponsor me because I do plan on spending more money with you guys. Yeah. What do y'all think, ladies? And if y'all don't take anything from this video, I would say get you a man that's gonna buy you a Louis Vuitton. Now, but make sure you spend money on yourself. Treat yourself. You deserve it. You know, we work hard all day, every day, and if no one's gonna celebrate you, make sure you celebrate yourself. Ta-ta, ladies.